Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the chapter third of class second English literature. Chapter name is puppy for sale. Here the puppy word is used for a small dog of baby, which here are be mentioned for the sale. A farmer comes upon out up of puppies for sale, sing and his farm. A younger boy come up to him and tugged on his pant. See what happened once a time. A farmer is sitting in their farmer, and he is putting a board for a puppy sale, that they are sitting there for selling a puppy. In that time only a young boy come to the farmers, and he called them by touching their pant. Mister, I want to buy a puppy, said the little boy. May I took a look at them? Then he said the master that he want to buy a puppy, and he want to look that which one is best for her. Of course, son, said the farmer as he looked out a whistle. Then the master said, yes, why not? If you want to buy a puppy, then you can see all the puppies. Then farmer whistle, and all the puppies come out from their kennels, and out of the kennels come a big dog. Five little balls of four come troubling down and ramp behind her. The little boy looked at them with decline. And then he noticed some thing. Another ball of fog rolled down the ramp slowly. Then what happened? When the farmers whistle, all the dogs come out from their canals. All the five balls, they are coming troubling down all over their behinds. Then the boy looked something very stranger. He noticed that a one ball of fog rolled down at the ramp very slowly, and the little puff holded towards the other. It tried to catch up with the other. The little puff holded to other, and it tried to catch up with the other. I want that one, said the little boy. Then the little boy said that the dog, which one is very lazy and a very small, I want that dog only. As the boy said, the farmer kenneled down by the boy's side and said, son, he will never be able to run or play with you. Then the master, who is the puppy seller, who said the boy, and said, why you are choosing this boy? He is this dog, he is not able to run with you and play with you. He is not that much, he is not had that much of capability. The little boy sat on the back of the wood. He rolled up on leg of his trouser. A steel branch ran down both sides of his leg, attached itself to specially made shoes. So while listening this, the little boy sat on one block of wood, and then he rolled their trouser upside and suddenly what happened? The master see that the boys legs are not normal. They have wear some special kind of shoes, and the steel brands are attached to their leg. Yes, sir, said the master. Little boy, then while seeing this, he gets surprised, and the boy said, yes, sir, I don't run too well myself. Then the boy replied, yes, as the puppy is not able to run and play that much fastly, like that, I am also not able to run too well myself. We will be good for each other. That's why I selected this puppy, because I thought that we will are good for each other. as I am, just like he is also.